Hey guys, it's Kyle with Aero Equipment here. Just gonna give you a quick walk around of a new 2025 F-550 service truck we set up here. It's a crew cab XLT. We ordered these ones in a little higher spec with the center console. So it's a little nicer trim inside, power seat, power windows, everything on there, heated seats as well. Moving around to the box, we've got a custom 11-foot aluminum service body on here. 60-inch tall cabinets. We got it set up with the aluminum drawers as well. So this one here, we've got it set up with the full stack of drawers in here. They're on the heavy slides. They lock in, lock out. So if you're on a bit of a side hill, they're not going to slide in on you. The full length handles on there, and then they've got a powder coated front finish as well. So if you ever want to switch them out for a different color or scratch them, you can easily pop those rivets and add new ones on. One of the big things about these bodies is the door system. So they latch on the top and the bottom with a poly roller, so they're not on a strike plate, so they're not wearing down over time and loosening off. So they're easy to adjust. So when you close that, the door sucks in and locks, so you're staying fully sealed when you shut it. And then everything is dual paneled on the doors as well, so just extra structural strength. This one we've got set up with an Espar 2 kilowatt cabinet heater mounted right up here, running off the truck fuel tank. So it's a diesel fired heater, and then your thermostat and controls are here, and then it's vented to the rear of the body as well through these punch outs. Up top we got a 5,000 watt inverter, so then all your power tools and everything can be charged off of there. And then moving across to the back in the D2, we've got a couple more drawers and adjustable shelves. And then across the wheel well, we've gone with a bigger flip-up door with a work light right over top of it. So then you've got your pull-out tray. So you got a bit of a umbrella or sunshade right under there where you're working. And then we've got all your bolt bins and crates right above it. So you have access to all your fittings right there. And then we got your air pressure settings, everything, your filter separator right there. Moving to the back of the body, we've got it set up here with your crane battery and your remote, the wireless remote for the Cobra 5500. It's all right there. And then your fuse for your crane as well. So it's easy to access. And then your air reel with the access door off the rear. So when you want air, you can just grab it from right here. You don't need to open up your big side door. One of the other neat features on these bodies we've done is the master lock system. This just locks right down here. You can padlock it, and that locks all your side cabinets with one lock. Just an extra added security in addition to the individual door locks. We've got the rear workbench bumper with the 6-inch vise and the Tiger Tough cover. This is can be moved from passenger side to driver side or back and forth. We got the 3-piece rear doors. Got the roof open right now, but that roof slides all the way back or all the way forwards like that. Got your spare tire up top, and then this door just folds down like that, and you can you got a full 50 inches of galley space to work with. You need to put a skid or anything in there, and all your tie downs in there as well. It's just a nice covered space. If you ever want to put an oil recovery system or a fuel tank, everything stays covered, locked, out of sight. Backup camera is mounted right up top here, so you get good coverage looking down behind you. That's a lot of guys like that. On this body, customers requested us going with a a 200 Airpak style system, so you get all your welder function and your air and your charging off there. So you put all your cables, everything below within the adjustable shelves as well. And across this side, over the wheel well, we've got it set up with 3 drawers, the wider drawers here with an adjustable shelf above it. And then we've got in the D1, just another full stack of drawers. And then your D2, we've got a set up with all your cabinet, your oxy cabinet, so all your hose wraps and your adjustable bottle holders in there. Also, being 60 inches tall, you do have a lot more space for any taller bottles. It's easier to get them in and out as well. This truck, we've added extra leaf springs on as well, so just to stabilize out the ride, any body roll eliminates. So that's just a quick overview of this new build we've done for our customer.